Okay, we're still working on the old newsletter page. Let's wrap a panel around the different sections here. So we'll grab a panel, put it around the grid view. And we'll give this one, call this one panel grid view, and then we'll copy this. Paste this around the form view. This one panel form view, and we'll set this, the visibility on this one, to false to start with. We don't really need to do this because until we select something up here, it won't show up. But I'm going to do it anyway, and then we'll copy the close tag and put it down here. Let's see, we're going to go before the access data source, so we'll just grab the form view. Oh, right there. There's in the form view. Okay, so put this here. Then we will toggle the visibility again by saying, going to our VB code and adding this where we say the grid view 1 selected index changed. Then we'll say on this one panel grid view dot visible equals false, and panel form view dot visible equals true. And then we need some way to turn it off when they're done reading the newsletter. So let's go in our newsletter, and I'm going to put one of these at the top and also one at the bottom when they're actually reading one of the newsletters. I'm going to put in I'll just drop in a link or a button for now. Oops, I don't want it there. Let's see, where am I at? Here's my panel, my form view. So I'm going to put it above the form view, and then I'll come back and fine tune it and position it later, but let's just get it in here. So I add a button here, and we'll call this one CMD done 1, and the text will be done. And again, I'll probably change this later. And then we'll copy this and also put it at the bottom of the form view, or after the form view, but at the bottom of the panel. I'll call this one done 2. So this gives the user something to press when they're done reading this. They want to go back, get out of the form view and go back and see the grid view again. So we will just grab it from here now. CMD done 1. Didn't I must have messed something up when I named that second button. Click, and I'm going to copy this code, and we'll just, oops, and maybe you're watching here, I obviously messed up this code. So form view, the visibility should be true in this case, and then on this one we'll switch this to true. Okay, so I don't know if you, up here, when grid view 1 selected, I should have made the form view visible. So done 1, click. We want to make the grid view visible and the form view invisible. And let's go see what I did here. ID's command done 2. Oh, that looks right. ID's command done 1. So let's go back here and look and see if it's caught up with us. Oh, I don't see CMD done 1 on, or done 2 on here. That's weird. Okay, well, I'm going to just copy this code. Change this to done 2, and this one to done 2. And that should take care of it. And you always notice he's complaining about that. I think for some reason not picking up this button. Let's just save this. Make sure I'm not messing something else up. Okay, there we go. So let's test it out. So we can select one of these, then this pops up, and then we can click the done button. Takes us back. Select. Takes us back. Okay, so that's it.